Hello friends, welcome back in this session. There is some question for the CentOS Firewall D, and in this session we are going to understand how we can basically start Firewall D service in a CentOS and how we can disable firewall service. So let's start. So first we will see the command where we can check how we can see the firewall running status in CentOS. So basically we use the systemctl status firewall D. So this will show the status. So here I just made it the stop. So it's showing the inactive and how we can start. So you can see this is the stop status here and how we can start. So just we have to give the start command. Okay, so we have started the firewall D server. Let's see the status here. You can see the status is active and running here, and here you can see the detailed statement for the firewall. So it basically show the IP tables status. Let me clear the screen here and let stop this one. So I'm just stopping this firewall. Okay, so this will make the stop, and again let's see the status here. So it will show the status here inactive again. So here we made the stop here. So this is a simple command. So where we'll use the systemctl start firewall D, systemctl stop firewall D, and the status for the status current status. If we want to simply restart, we can simply give the restart here. So this will basically restart your firewall D status. Let's see here see the status. So this make the service restart, stop and start. So basically this is if you start, stop, and if you want to make the permanent disable your firewall D, you can simply give the disable instead of start status. So let's see systemctl disable firewall D. So this will make the permanent disable of your firewall. So now your service has been removed from your firewall D. If you want to enable simple, you can simple enable your firewall D. So firewall D disable will prompt you even after the restart of system. So if you want to stop and you will reboot your system, it will start again. But if you disable firewall D, it won't start on your restart. So I have again enabled. Let's see this firewall status here. So right now it's running. So this is all about how we can see the status, how we can start the firewall service, how we can stop and how we can restart. Thank you.